Are you looking for that feed formula that will give you maximum result in short period of time? Here is the broiler starter feed formula, 21% crude protein, that will give you 4 kg in 6 weeks. Starter broiler feed with 21% crude protein is designed to provide balanced nutrition for broiler chicks during their early growth phase. This feed supports healthy muscle development, strong bones, and rapid weight gain by offering essential protein, vitamins, and minerals with its high energy content and digestibility. The 21% crude protein broiler feed ensures optimal growth, enhancing feed conversion and preparing broilers for a successful transition into the grower stage. It is ideal for you to use this feed at initial first week of their life or second week of their life, promoting robust growth and laying the foundation for efficient broiler farming. This is a feed formula that is meant for you. Watch till the end. If you need the finisher, super finisher formula for this, let me know on the comment section. Let's go there. Hello, we are back. This is another content on broiler feed starter using groundnut seed husk or coat. We are through with the groundnut seed husk broiler super starter, 24% crude protein. Right now we are going into 21% crude protein, though it may exceed 21 based on our calculation. Here we are through with the first formula. If you have not watched it, please make sure you watch it. This is the continuation of the super starter. This is starter. Then after this also, I'll still give you finisher of the same feed using groundnut seed coat or groundnut seed husk. They are the same. So here we have poultry feed formulation with groundnut seed husk or coat. Here now we have starter feed. This is the ingredients. This is the inclusion rate of each of the ingredients. This is the nutrient composition of each of these ingredients. This is protein contribution of the formula. Then here I will have the protein composition. That is the total crude protein after the whole calculation. Here is the estimation. Here is the total. Now I have corn here. The nutrient composition on protein of corn is 8.5%. Soya bean is one of the plant protein source for every poultry and livestock feed. Here I'm using 20%. That is 20 kg. And the protein content of soya bean meal is 44% crude protein. Then this is groundnut husk. That is the coat. Here I'm using 10 kg. The former feed formula we used 7 kg here because this is the finisher, and finisher we need lower percentage of the crude protein. For super starter we used 7%. Here we are using 10% because this groundnut seed husk have only 10% crude protein. So now we are increasing the energy and carbohydrates while reducing the protein content. The other one, we increase the protein and reduce the energy. Here, as the base grow bigger, they need more energy to convert the feed. That is why in their feed formulation, you need more of energy. Now, we have wheat bran. Here we're using 5%. Fish meal, we're using 8% against the 10% or 10 kg we used. Blood meal, we are using the same 2 kg. Limestone, you know, limestone is not for protein. We are using 1 kg. Dicalcium phosphate, DCP, using 1 kg. Then vitamin and mineral premix, we are using 0.5 kg. Then salt, we are using 0.3 kg. Then oil, we are using 2.2. Now, let's calculate the crude protein for this particular feed. How do we do that? You have to multiply the total kg of feed, kg of corn by one. This gives you 2. This cancel this. What we are having here is 4.25, which gives us 4.25. That is for the corn. How do we get that? That will give us 50 times 0.085. That's that. Now you have seen how we did it. Here you still come back here again. That will give you 20 over 100 times 44 over 1. This cancel this. This cancel this 1. This cancel this 5. 44 divided by 5. This will give us 8.8. 8.8. Now this is 20. You are seeing it. 20 times 0.44. Now this will give us groundnut seed husk. Groundnut seed husk is going to give us 10 times 0.10 times 0.10. This will give us 1%. 1.00. Now the next one is wheat bran. Wheat bran is 5 kg, and the percentage of crude protein for wheat bran is 15%. This will give us 5 times 0.15, which will give us 5 times 0.15, which will give us, this will give us 0.75. That's what it gives us, 0.75. Then the next one is fish meal. Fish meal, the inclusion rate is 8 kg, and the crude protein of fish meal is 60%. This will give us 8 times 0.6. Now, when you calculate it, this is going to give us 4.8. This is 8 over 100 times 60 over 1. Listen to this 2. Listen to this 5. Listen to this will give you. Listen to will give you 12. 12 divided by this will give, that is 8. This will give us 4.8. Now the next one is blood meal. For blood meal, we have only 2 kg here. 2 kg multiplied by 80%. This is going to give us 2 times 0.8. 2 times 0.80. This will give us 2 times 0.8. This will give us 1.6. So when we add this and this and this and this and this, let's check it. This is going to give us 21. This and this and this and this, 21 point, then 0.2 CP. This is the total crude protein. Total crude protein equals total crude protein particular formula, you can gather groundnut seed husk, use it to reduce this feed. At the end of the finisher formula, I'm going to calculate the finisher so that let's know the cost of producing this feed in Nigeria as at the moment. Then we compare it with the market feed, that's the commercial feed. Then we see the difference. So right now, if this particular video, you have found this video very interesting and you have gained something from this video, please like it, give it a like button, click that right button right now so that I will be encouraged to produce more cheap, affordable, and cost-effective and highly palatable feed formula for your broilers, so that you'll be able to make profit, continue to make profit, and continue to make more profit. Share this video to reach more farmers. Like it, drop your comment. If you need any other feed formula you want me to produce for you, drop it on the comment section. And there is a very fine book that contains almost 300 different feed formula. Thank you once again. Till I come your way with another interesting topic, loading very soon. Don't go far. I remain your humble servant, Dr. Leonard. Bye for now.